Hey future millionaires, welcome back! You're working from home, grinding, and building your digital wealth. But if you're mining crypto right now, let's be real, you're probably stressed out. 1 week prices shoot up, the next they crash drastically. How do you keep your income steady, predictable, and reliable when the only constant in crypto is uncertainty? What if I told you there's a way to turn those unpredictable crypto markets into regular, predictable sources of income? Stick around, because we're diving into the game-changing platform that uses AI to solve the biggest problem in mining. If you're a young professional or a remote earner, you need passive income that works for you. Traditional crypto mining, that whole setup, it's constantly affected by changes in coin prices. When the market dips, your profits tank, and profitability is lowered. That volatility, while opportunity-oriented, is a huge threat to your bottom line. SJMine was developed specifically to address this issue. This isn't just another platform. It's a ray of hope and optimism that continues to shine even when the market crashes. This is the core magic, so listen up. SJMine leverages AI-powered algorithms and adaptive mining plans. It turns what others see as a challenge into a continuous opportunity for growth. Instead of tracking just one coin, SJMine tracks a variety of coins in real time. Its system intelligently determines the most profitable opportunities and instantly redistributes resources. Think about that. It's maximizing returns and slashing downtimes and losses. This smart automation means you are always mining the most lucrative coins. It's essentially an algorithmic solution that safeguards your income even during crypto price lows, providing stable, predictable returns. You've got enough stress managing your job or your freelance gig. You don't need the technical nightmare of running your own hardware. SJMine is built to ensure you get consistent profits without technical stress or financial uncertainty. The advanced application platform is constantly evaluating global market dynamics, energy prices, and task complexity to offer the most effective results. This is next-generation technology delivering exceptional performance. We're talking modern data centers, energy-efficient cooling systems, and secure cloud-based operations. SJMine's infrastructure is built for reliability and scalability. They use renewable and cost-effective energy solutions for sustainable operations. You don't have to pursue the market. SJMine stays on top of it. Stability is useless without trust. SJMine has earned the confidence of global investors thanks to its stable track record and very clear, transparent operation. They prioritize fairness and innovation. Here's what makes it secure. You get assured transparency, total access to your mining activity and rewards. And when you earn, you want it now. They offer instant withdrawals so you can enjoy your profits without any delays. Plus, they have flexible mining plans that work for everyone, from amateurs just starting out to professional miners. If you ever hit a snag, you have 24/7 customer care available to serve you anywhere across the world. This is the foundation of reliability, trust, and technology designed to increase your digital wealth. Ready to convert market variations into a chance at creating long-term, consistent profit? Getting started with SJMine is hassle-free. It only takes a few clicks to join this successful community. Here are the 5 quick steps. 1. Visit the official website. 2. Sign up by filling in your details and creating a secure account. 3. Verify your email for added protection. 4. Select a mining plan that aligns with your budget and goals. 5. Activate your dashboard and start mining instantly, watching your profits grow in real time. You need to find stability in this volatile world of cryptocurrencies, and SJMine combines automation, transparency, and innovative technology to give you that. Stop letting market fluctuations dictate your earnings. Own your mining experience now. If you found this breakdown helpful, and you're ready to mine smarter, safer, and more sustainably than ever before, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into profitable crypto strategies. And most importantly, I've put the official website link in the description below, along with a related product link to get you started. Go check it out right now and start your trip to stable mining income today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.